Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice way.
Part 3. Installation of smart glass wall panels.
You can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Handling or moving the smart glass panel takes extra care as these materials are sensitive. Don't touch the side where the frosted film is embedded.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm
Moving the smart glass wall panels are most challenging part, as there are no other options to access from the ground floor to the first floor of the pavilion. Staircase and lift area are not possible. Needs a boom lift machine direct lifting to the first floor and then manually shifting inside the pavilion.
you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Yeah, class now, go now, Serenity. Yeah, go there, go. All people. No sounds?
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Tempered glass with inner side frosted film.
Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Accessories for installation of smart glass panels such as U-channel, screws, wirings with complete low-voltage electronic devices, and channel profile with cover to conceal the wirings. Before installation, lay out and check the dimensions of the wall opening that fits the glass wall panels. Considering the plumbness for both vertical and horizontal sides, must be 90 degrees angle at all corners. Lay out and mark the center line of the bottom part of the U-channel profile that can be aligned to the upper part, considering the plumbness and alignments for both sides. Upon installation of smart glass wall panels, the frosted film must be on the inner side of the room. After installation of smart glass panels, with the alignments and plumbness checked, connect all wirings with electronic low-voltage devices, to the embedded connection of the inner side of glass panel, then cover with the channel profile to conceal the wirings. Smart glass panels, switchable privacy, switches glass. From transparent to opaque, with the flip of a switch. Creating a dynamic space that can be either open or private within a matter of seconds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.